Hello, Parker's Truck Stop. We are in Shallow Water, Texas, and we are going to be talking about how to memorize. So if you find a scripture and you want to memorize it, you can do a humdinger. It's like singing, but you just put like sort of a hum to it, but sing the words. I'll give you an example like this. Philippians 4:8. Finally, brothers, whatever is true. We do scriptures like that and do humdingers. And that's fun for us. And we like it. We went to New Mexico. While we're here in Shallow Water, Texas, we are actually trapped and we are having a good time. We are, as I said, in Shallow Water, Texas. In New Mexico, we went to Cloudcroft and we went to White Sands, and it was fun. The sand is like snow. It's cool underneath, and you can sled down the hill. But you have to get wax and sleds. You don't have to get wax, but it helps you go faster because it is fun. Click that notification button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.